Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Cataraqui North is a suburban neighborhood in the west end of Kingston. It is known for shopping areas, residential streets, schools, and easy access to major roads. The neighborhood developed quickly during the late 20th century as Kingston expanded beyond its historic downtown core. Today, Cataraqui North is one of the city's busiest commercial areas, attracting both local residents and visitors from nearby communities. The name Cataraqui comes from an indigenous word connected to the nearby Cataraqui River and the wider region around Kingston. Long before modern development, this area was part of important travel and trading routes used by indigenous peoples for centuries. European settlement later transformed the land into farmland and rural properties before suburban growth changed the landscape during the 1970s and 1980s. One of the best-known landmarks in the area is the Cataraqui Town Centre, which opened in the early 1980s. It became one of the largest shopping destinations in eastern Ontario outside of Ottawa. Around the mall, large retail plazas and restaurants gradually appeared, turning the neighborhood into a commercial hub for Kingston's West End. The area is especially busy during weekends, holidays, and the back-to-school season when students return to the city. Cataraqui North is also shaped by major transportation routes. Highway 401 passes just north of the neighborhood, connecting Kingston with Toronto, Ottawa, and Montreal. Nearby roads, such as Princess Street and Sydenham Road, make the area an important gateway into Kingston. Because of this location, many hotels, service businesses, and restaurants were built here to serve travelers moving through eastern Ontario. The neighborhood has a population that reflects Kingston's broader mix of families, retirees, workers, and students. Kingston itself has a population of roughly 140,000 people, and the West End continues to grow faster than many older parts of the city. Residential subdivisions around Cataraqui North include detached homes, apartment buildings, and townhouses. Schools, parks, and recreation centers have expanded along with the population. Nature is still close to the neighborhood despite the commercial growth. Conservation areas and green spaces can be found nearby, including trails connected to the Cataraqui Region Conservation Authority. During autumn, the area is known for colorful trees and cooler weather coming off Lake Ontario. In winter, Kingston receives snow from lake effect systems, giving the region a classic Eastern Ontario winter atmosphere. Like much of Kingston, Cataraqui North has strong ties to education and healthcare. Many residents work at nearby institutions such as Queen's University, Kingston Health Sciences Centre, and St. Lawrence College. The neighborhood's location makes it practical for commuters traveling between workplaces, schools, and shopping districts across the city. Kingston is one of Ontario's oldest cities and has a long and important history in Canada. Located where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence River, Kingston became a strategic settlement because of its position between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic trade routes. Indigenous peoples lived and traveled through this area for thousands of years before European settlement began. French traders and explorers arrived during the 17th century, followed later by British military and colonial development. In 1841, Kingston briefly served as the first capital of the province of Canada. Although the capital later moved to other cities, Kingston remained politically and militarily important. Fort Henry, located on a hill overlooking the water, was built to defend the region during tensions between Britain and the United States. Today, Fort Henry is one of Kingston's best-known historic sites and a major tourist attraction recognized as part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kingston is often called the Limestone City because many of its historic buildings were constructed using local limestone. Throughout downtown Kingston, visitors can still see 19th century architecture in churches, government buildings, homes, and commercial streets. Landmarks such as Kingston City Hall and the Waterfront District reflect the city's long connection to politics, trade, and military history. This historic character gives Kingston a different atmosphere compared with many newer Ontario cities. The city has a population of more than 130,000 people, with the larger metropolitan area continuing to grow steadily. Kingston's economy is supported by education, healthcare, government services, tourism, and military activity. Canadian Forces Base Kingston remains one of the city's major employers, while Queen's University contributes significantly to research, culture, and local business activity. The city also attracts visitors year-round because of its waterfront location and historical attractions. Tourism plays an important role in Kingston's identity. During the warmer months, visitors explore the downtown waterfront, take cruises through the Thousand Islands region, and attend festivals and cultural events throughout the city. Kingston is also known for its restaurants, public markets, museums, and live music scene. The city combines a relaxed, small city atmosphere with many of the cultural features usually associated with larger urban centers. Kingston's location on Lake Ontario has shaped daily life here for centuries. Harbors, marinas, and waterfront parks remain central parts of the community. In the summer, boating and sailing are especially popular, while winter brings a quieter pace to the shoreline. Across every season, Kingston balances its military history, educational institutions, natural landscapes, and growing suburban neighborhoods, creating a city that continues to evolve while remaining closely connected to its past.
watching.